Okay, this is a standard surface drifter. It was actually designed about 30 years ago by a oceanographer on the West Coast. And since then, oceanographers have been using this design to be consistent with each other in tracking the upper meter or so of the ocean. So this is sometimes referred to as the Davis drifter, the guy who put it together, Russ Davis. Scripps on the West Coast, or a CODE, Coastal Ocean Dynamics Experiment. That was the first. They first made this configuration and this shape and size. Whether it tracks the top meter exactly or not, it's at least consistent with all other of these thousands of surface drifters that have gone out. The thing is that this drifter we make is from materials available at any local hardware lumber yard. We use a tracker that the truckers use on the highway, low cost, a few $100 unit here. Everything else is easily put together in a few hours. You'll see the water line is here, so we're trying to track the currents and not the wind and the waves. We're trying to get the drag down below. This has gone through a number of variations since we started playing with them about a decade ago. We used to use a lot more plastic pipe and vinyl sails, and in the last year or so we've tried to reduce that down to cloth and wood, which makes it a real challenge because we want the thing to survive several months at sea and be seaworthy. So it's a good project, and we like to have many students and teachers involved to help us develop it with new ideas. This one here today, for example, we experimented with our homemade flotation with a milk jug and a two-part marine urethane flotation. We used to buy fisherman floats. So it's an ongoing process, and we hope that we can keep it going. And I would like to thank these folks who helped me today put this together. Cassie from Narracus, Brandy and Chris from Swampscott High, and Lucy Lockwood. Where's Lucy? Lucy! From Gulf of Maine Institute. And we're going to put the thing in the water now to see how it floats.